Have you ever poured your heart into a video, only to watch it disappear into the void with barely a like, a click, or a view? If you are nodding along, you are not alone. But here is the twist. Your content might not be the problem at all. The real culprit could be your video titles. Today, we are diving deep into the scroll stopper secret. The real reasons your titles are not getting clicks and exactly how to fix them. Let us start with a harsh truth. Your title probably does not make people feel anything. People do not scroll through their feeds searching for information. They are looking for emotion. If your title does not spark curiosity, urgency, surprise, or a sense of value, viewers will scroll past it without a second thought. Instead of a bland title like How to Grow on YouTube, try something that hits harder, like The Brutal Truth Why You're Not Growing on YouTube. Fix this fast. Make them feel something. Generic titles are click killers. Words like tips, stuff, or secrets are too vague unless you pair them with specifics. The human brain craves clarity and numbers. For example, do not say, tips to grow fast. Instead, say, 3 YouTube growth hacks I used to hit 100,000 subscribers. Numbers build trust, and clarity sparks curiosity. When you combine both, you give viewers a concrete reason to click, not just a vague promise. Ask yourself, what transformation does your video deliver? Your title must answer the silent question every viewer has. Why should I care? Show the before and after. Instead of How I Use Final Cut Pro, try How Final Cut Pro Cut My Editing Time in Half. Full workflow. Make your title about the result the viewer wants, not just the process. When viewers see the value or transformation up front, they are far more likely to tap. Emotionally charged words make your titles pop. Use words like exposed, warning, breakthrough, fail, or success. For example, the one YouTube strategy no one talks about that actually works, or why 90% of creators fail in year 1, avoid these mistakes. Emotion drives curiosity, and curiosity drives clicks. Do not be afraid to use power words that make your title stand out in a crowded feed. If your titles get cut off on mobile, you are losing viewers before they even see your hook. Keep your titles short and front-loaded. Put the most compelling part first and your keywords second. For example, not what you need to know about YouTube Shorts, but YouTube Shorts are dead? 2025 update. Avoid all caps, emoji overload, and long-winded titles. Clean, concise titles beat clutter every time. Your title and thumbnail should work together, not repeat each other. If your thumbnail says 100,000 views, your title should complete the story. I got 100,000 views in 7 days. Here's exactly how. Build tension between the two. Do not waste both saying the same thing. When your title and thumbnail create a narrative together, viewers cannot help but click to find out more. A/B testing is non-negotiable. Use tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to test different versions of your titles. Even the pros do not guess what will work. They test everything. A 1% increase in click-through rate can mean the difference between 1,000 views and 100,000. Test, learn, and improve. Your best title is rarely your first draft. Here is what is likely holding you back. Your titles are vague, emotionless, lack curiosity or clear value. Do not speak directly to the viewer's desire, do not use power words, are not optimized for mobile, and you are not testing what works. So next time you upload, do not just title your video, market it. Write 5 to 10 options. Test them. Ask yourself which one makes you want to click. Remember, a great video without a clickable title is like a billboard in the desert. If you want more tips, reviews, and creator-friendly hacks, check out our other videos. Hit like if this helped, subscribe if you are ready to grow, and do not just upload strategically.